we have Module 13 tests that we're going over, right? Okay. Let's see if I can find the test. There we go. All right, you were supposed to, I'm going to go through this quickly so we can, because we've got labs to do today, even a lab that's not in the book. So for bone marrow, you should have said something about the soft tissue inside the bone. You didn't have to say it produced blood cells, but you could have. The cerebrum, it's something about receives information and coordinates a response, part of the brain that does that. Ectothermic means that it is cold-blooded. It could have been as simple as that. Okay, then number 2, name at least 2 chordates that have a larval stage as part of their life. You could have put sea squirts, you could have put lampreys, you could have put frogs, toads, salamanders. Oh my goodness, did anybody come up with one I'm not thinking of? Okay, so, yes.
I put the, phylums.
Oh, oh,
I don't know,
that's fine. So did you put Urochordata and
Amphibia and
Agnatha?
Yeah.
That works. Oh, wow, I never thought of it that way. That's good. Amphibia and Agnatha, very good. And then for somebody that's at home that might have done it that way, the other one, I'm pretty sure it's Urochordata, but let's make sure. Yep, it's Urochordata. Okay, so you could have done that one. I don't think cephalochordates, no, they didn't have a larval stage. So those would be the 3 phyla that you could have used. Okay, let's see. Then the next one. Lost the test. Let's see if I can find it again. There it is. Okay, assign the following chordates to one of these classifications. All right, so for number 3, you should have had A is chondrichthyes, B is osteichthyes, C is Urochordata, D is amphibia, E is amphibia, F is cephalochordata, and G is agnatha. Okay, number 4. It says if an animal's optic loads are very small, what most likely is its weakest sense? Its eyesight. Number 5, what protein allows red blood cells to perform their function? Hemoglobin. Number 6, an animal reproduces when the female lays eggs and the male then fertilizes them. The eggs are left to develop and hatch. Her fertilization is external, and she is oviparous. External and oviparous. Okay, then we get to number 7. Which has the most flexible skeleton, a shark, a frog, or a lionfish? That would be the shark. It is counterintuitive, but it has a cartilaginous skeleton. Number 8. A is spinal cord, B is air bladder, C is gonad, and D is liver. Number 9, you should have said something about the spinal cord carrying messages between the brain and the muscles or the body. Your air bladder has to do with the fish being able to go up and down in the water. You could have said buoyancy. You could have said going up and down in the water, something like that. Gonad is for reproduction. And the liver has to do with so many things. You could have said it makes bile for digestion. You could have said that it cleans the blood. You could have said that it converts chemicals into other chemicals that are necessary. There were so many different ways you could have gone with the liver. As long as you have one of the ways that was listed, that's fine. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh joy, 10. 10. A is an artery, B is a vein, and C is an artery. Number 11, A is oxygen rich, B is oxygen poor, and C is oxygen poor. Hopefully you didn't miss that. And number 12, the question is, what is the major respiratory organ for amphibians? It would be its skin, which is so weird, right? Okay, all of the answers on the test are worth 3 points apiece. That means every answer on the test is worth 3 points apiece. Always start at 100 and subtract what you've missed. Okay? Okay, let's put that away and let's go on to Module 14, please.